So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to remove the app screen on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Now by default, on your Samsung Galaxy phone, you have the home screen or home screens, and then when you swipe up, you have the apps screen. So to get rid of the apps screen and have all the apps on the home screens, just long press an empty space on the home screen and tap on settings. Under settings, you will see home screen layout. Now you can tap on that, and then now you can choose whether you want home and app screens separately or just home screen only. Now to get rid of the app screen, select home screen only and tap on apply. So now you'll notice all your apps will be on the home screens, okay, following your home screen settings, and you'll have no apps screen. Okay, so from the home screen, if you swipe up, it now no longer shows the app screen. So that's how to get rid of the app screen on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.